Welcome to the latest edition of Rare Diseases Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. Cure Rare Disease announced FDA Orphan Drug Designation for CRD003 to treat limb-girdle muscular dystrophy R9, also known as LGMD-R9 with biallelic FKRP variants. The program uses an AAVMYO2 vector encoding FKRP to restore alpha-dystroglycan glycosylation, and the designation may enable partnerships and investment. In Japan, JCR Pharmaceuticals and Medipol received Orphan Drug Designation from the Ministry of Health, Labour and Welfare for JR446 mucopolysaccharidosis type 3B or Sanfilippo B. JR446 uses J-Brain Cargo, a Phase 1-2 study. JR446101 is underway in Japan, and prior US and EU designations were granted earlier in 2025. This could shape future pricing and formulary access if approved. DYNE Therapeutics reported Japan Orphan Drug Designation for DYNE-251 targeting Duchenne muscular dystrophy with exon 51 amenable mutations. The Phase 1-2 DELIVER trial is ongoing, and the company has cited sustained functional improvement through 18 months, with details not specified. The Japan status complements US and EU designations and may influence prescriber and payer perspectives as full data emerge. Regeneron's evinacumab, Evkeeza, gained a US label extension as adjunct therapy for homozygous familial hypercholesterolemia in children aged 1 to less than 5 years. Earlier approvals covered older ages, and this decision was supported by small expanded access and compassionate use datasets, with sample size not stated. Expanded access for very young patients may affect treatment pathways and reimbursement reviews. GEMMA Biotherapeutics launched Rare Therapeutics, a clinical stage affiliate focused on ultra-orphan gene therapies. Rare TX plans programs for central nervous system and heart or skeletal muscle disorders, including GM1 gangliosidosis, Krabbe disease, and metachromatic leukodystrophy, with operational hubs in Brazil and Abu Dhabi. The structure signals novel financing and delivery strategies and may attract partners. Rocket Pharmaceuticals voluntarily withdrew its rolling FDA BLA for RP-L102 in Fanconi anemia. Following a July pipeline reprioritization, the company cited no new safety or efficacy concerns and will focus on programs with clearer approval paths. The move may redirect resources and open avenues for business development. AAVantgarde Bio reported FDA Orphan Drug Designation and UK Clinical Trial Authorization for AAV B039 in ABCA4-mediated Stargardt disease. The Phase 1-2 Celeste trial is ongoing. The program holds US Fast Track designation, and the vector delivers full-length ABCA4. These milestones may shape upcoming efficacy readouts and payer assessments. Chiesi and Arbor Biotechnologies announced a global partnership for AB0101 in primary hyperoxaluria type 1, with options across liver gene editing targets using knockout and reverse transcriptase-based editing platforms. Financial terms include up to $115 million in upfront and near-term payments, up to $2 billion in milestones, and low double-digit tiered royalties on licensed products. The collaboration includes the Phase 1-2 REDEFINE study and underscores sustained investment in rare liver disease gene editing. Stay ahead in rare diseases research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit elkventures.com or email us at info@logventures.com.